Hey everyone, so I know it's been a while since I last posted. Been busy with a couple things such as work and moved uh, and just life. So I've changed a couple things in the truck and I'll take you guys for a walk around. Hey y'all, so this is the new look of the truck. So I've color matched the bumpers, the white diamond. I've smoked out the headlights. Grill's still the same. Pillar's still the same. Here's the new 544 22x14 on fuel gripper MTs. I love these wheels. Such a clean look, and you have pretty good stance on them down the side. Had to trim the bumper a little bit to make it fit, and it still kind of rubs a little bit. And I had the NorCal mod done right there so it doesn't hit too much. And had the tail lights tinted as well. So I think it's coming along pretty well. Now I'll turn the wheel and show you guys the fitment. So who's looking for 22x14s will kind of understand how much you need to trim. As you can see, I rub a little bit right there and trimmed off just enough to where it clears right here. So I'll turn the other way and show you guys. Here it is on this side. As you can tell, it rubs still a little bit. So, plan on adding a spacer up front, like a 1.5-inch spacer with some upgraded control arms, so I clear a little more. But that's about it. So tell me what you guys think of the new look. I personally love it. If you guys have any questions, just comment below.